Hello dear students, this is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are now solving our National Boards of Higher Mathematics previous year questions. So this is from our year 2020. So the question says us that let our M be a 7 cross 6 matrix. Okay. And the entries are real. So then our entries of M in the position, that means the points are A13, A14, A33 and A34, comma A54 are changed to obtain another 7 cross 6 matrix M dash M sorry yeah M cap. Okay, so suppose that the rank of M cap is my given 4, then what could be the rank of M? So we have to list all the possibilities. Okay, so blue will be, yeah. So we have what? We know that rank of A plus B less than equals to rank of A plus rank of B. Then we can use it in our question in another manner, that our rank of M will be less than equals to rank of M minus M cap plus M cap. That can be written, no? So there we can write it as rank of M plus rank of M cap minus M. No, yeah, that will be, so that will be M and this is M cap. Okay, so this is my first equation, and the second equation in the similar manner, that will be my rank of M cap be now what? Rank of my M cap minus big M plus M. Then we can easily write it as, yeah. So till now there is the easier things, then some tricky thing will appear, that I want to write it as, from 1 and 2 we will get this plus, yeah. So this is my this, and my I will take M here, so my M cap will go to this side. So our rank of M cap, yeah, yeah. Then I have to think about the matrix. So the matrix M cap minus M will be what? As the position, we are changing what numbers? We are changing these numbers A13, A14, A33, A34 and A54. The entries will be changed to so our rank of, no rank. We want to think about this. So our this or this can be what? 7 cross 6 matrix. Yeah. So the these terms will remain 0. This term will be 0, and our this one A13 and A14 will be unknown as they are changed. So the other entries will be 0 now. Now our A33 and A34 and the other entries will be again 0. And this, okay, this is my A54. There will be a non-zero term. Again there will be another row. Yeah. So this is my m cap minus m or m minus n cap. So easily we can see that this matrix has what? These non-zero terms. So the matrix m cap minus m and our m minus m cap can have non-zero entries in the column 3 and 4 only. So our rank of that will be what? That will be 2. So our rank of m minus m cap will be my less than equals to 2. Okay. And also our rank of this will also be less than equals to 2. Now given thing is what? They have given that our rank of m cap is my 4. Then by using the previous conditions, by using this thing, we can write that our, yeah, so 4 minus 2, so that will be 2, and so Rm will be belongs to 6. Yeah. Therefore, the possibilities, yeah. Therefore, analyzing the possibilities, the rank of M can be my 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as the integers belongs between our 2 to 6. Okay. Thank you guys.